So question 14 now is find in standard form, so our answer's got to be in standard form, the value of 2.7 times 10 to the power of 10 divided by 6,000. So if I go across, my things out. To do this, I've got to work out 6,000, which is the number we had in standard form. So I do 6 times 10 to the power of 3. And when it comes to dividing by standard form, I do 2.7 divided by 6, and then I subtract the powers here. Okay, so 2.7 divided by 6. If I do that through the bus stop method, 2.7 divided by 6, I'm going to add an extra 0 in case I get a remainder. 6 doesn't go into 2, so it becomes 27. 6 goes into 27. 4 times remainder 3. 6 goes into 30 5 times, 0.45. So it's going to be 0.45 times 10 to the power of, and we subtract the powers, okay, which is 7. But this isn't standard form, so we're going to have to times this by 10 to make it 4.5. And if I times this by 10, I've got to balance it out by dividing this side by 10, or just taking a power away, which would be 10 to the power of 6. So my answer will be 4.5 times 10 to the power of 6. Okay. 14b now is 4.5 times 10 to the power of minus 2 multiplied by 3 times 10 to the power of minus 3. And then when it comes to multiplying standard forms, two standard form numbers, we have to multiply the base numbers and then add the powers. Okay, similar to dividing by standard form, we divide the top numbers, divide the base numbers, and then subtract the powers. So, got a question here. Multiply 4.5 by 3. So, 4.5 times 3 is 3 times 5 is 15, so 5 don't carry 1. 3 times 4 is 12, add the 1 is 13, 13.5. So I've got 13.5 times 10 to the power of, and I add the powers. So minus 2 add minus 3 is minus 5. Okay, because minus 2 add minus 3 is minus 5, yeah? Now I need this to be between 1 and 10. So I'm going to divide by 10, which is 1.35 times by 10 to the power of, and to balance this out, I'm going to multiply by 10, or just add 1 to this number, which will be minus 4. So I got 1.35 times 10 to the power of minus 4.